Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace words in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to update multiple instances of a word or phrase across your spreadsheet without manually hunting down each one. Let's walk through this together. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents from the Workspace dashboard. Locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to find and replace words. This opens your Google Sheets file and takes you into the editing interface where you can make all your changes. Now, here's where the magic happens. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and F at the same time. This activates the search function, and you'll notice a small search box appears on your screen labeled Find in Sheet. This is your starting point for locating any text within your spreadsheet. In this search field, type the word or phrase you want to find. For example, if you're looking to replace Lady Smith throughout your sheet, go ahead and type Lady Smith into that field. Once you hit enter or the search begins, Google Sheets will highlight and show you all instances of that word or phrase. You'll see how many times it appears and where it's located within your sheet. This gives you a clear picture of what you're working with before making any replacements. Now that you've found the word, it's time to replace it. Look for the three dots beside the search field and click on them. This expands the search options and reveals additional features. You'll now see a field labeled Replace With, and there's an input box right beside it. In this box, type the new word or phrase you want to use instead. This is what will replace every instance of your original search term. Before you finalize the replacement, you'll notice there are options for where to search or replace the text. Click on the drop-down menu that appears and select this sheet. This ensures that your replacements only happen within the current sheet you're working on, rather than affecting other sheets in your workbook. If you have multiple tabs, finally click the Replace All button. This action will instantly replace every instance of your original word with the new one across the entire sheet. The changes happen immediately, and you'll see your spreadsheet update in real time. And that's it. You've successfully found and replaced words in Google Sheets, saving yourself tons of time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.